Okay, so we have some physical products that we added here, and I don't have any SKUs assigned to them. I'm just building a quick example. Now, the great thing about WooCommerce is you can have physical products and also virtual or downloadable products. So these are all physical products. But if I go over here to add new, and I'm going to add another album here. So I'll call this Coldplay, A Rush of Blood to the Head, Digital Download, something like that. And I'm going to skip all of these items. So there's virtual and downloadable. Virtual is more for things like if you're building courses and after you purchase that, you would have access to it. Downloadable is to link to downloadable files that are only accessible after you purchase. So they're behind a paywall. So I could say the price is $9.99. And so we have download files. And I just have an example. This isn't a real file. So I can go to choose file, go to uploads, select files, go to my desktop, and I have digital products sample. I can click open and insert file URL and call this A Rush of Blood to the Head, Coldplay, something like that. And we have that. We could add more. We could have more than one file, but we just need this one file. So I have the file URL right here, and that's hidden until they purchase it. Download limit, we can set it to unlimited, or we can put in one or anything like that. It's usually appropriate to keep it as unlimited. And the download expiry until the download link expires, you can set that too. We could do 1 day, we could do 1,000 days, or we could just say unlimited, or never. Or we could just say never, it's there as long as it's there. We could do taxable or standard. I'm not entirely sure what the law is on digital products in terms of tax status and tax class. So you would need to check with whatever region you're in. Now, inventory, we could put you don't want to put managed stock on these things. So we could, for upsells, if we have a vinyl product that is more expensive, or a different product or a similar product that is more expensive that we want to try to upsell, we could do that as well. So we could type in an album, and here is this, so I can put that in there. And cross sells, I could put in, I don't have any other digital products that I'm adding to this, but I could put in similar artists or similar albums and put that in there. And for tags, I'm just going to add Coldplay. Add that tag, select a product image, set product image. Now I need to create a category, so I'm going to call this digital music. And we could do a parent category. I'm going to call this digital music and hit publish. Next, I'm just going to add a category called music. And that's going to be the parent category. I'm not going to fill anything else out. I'm just going to go right down to add new category. And I'm going to click edit on the vinyl. And I'm going to say the parent category is music. Hit update. I'm going to go back to my categories. And for some reason, that product category that I created for digital music that isn't showing. So I'll just create another category called digital and put it under music. That makes more sense. And hit add new category. Now I can go back to these products, go to all products, and it looks like that I either didn't save it or it glitched and said uncategorized. I'm just going to unselect that, select digital, and it also music like that. Click update. And since I added those categories, I might just go back and check these other products. and add those to music as well. So I'm just going to go through, add those, checking out the products. Since I added a new category, a parent category, it doesn't automatically apply those. So I went in and looked at the one other product, and I have all these other products here. Now this could be very time consuming to go in and edit each individual one. So I'm just going to select these last 4 here and go up to bulk actions and click edit and click apply. Then I can add the product category music. I'm also going to make sure it says vinyl on there. That way it doesn't change anything. And then I'll just hit update. So it automatically added all those. And I don't have tags on everything. I just have the tags on the Coldplay products. And you'll see why here in a moment.